Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 5th of October. So we've just started the week. Exactly, let's see what we have on various symbols. We're going to start off with the symbol on our screen. This is GBPUSD. So on this chart, basically, we're seeing the possibility that the price may head to the lower side. If you look at this chart properly, give me a second. Let me load my charts. Sorry about that. So we have, if you look at this chart properly, we actually have a level where the price may likely get to. Just look at this level here. Look at this level. We do have a very good support here. We have a support at this point, and then this candle which opened at this point. It opened at this level here, and then went and broke below. As you're speaking now, you can see that the price somehow is below this level here. So if the price can come back up to this point, then this will be the correct place to look for a sell from. So we're not going to do anything except when the price gets to this point. If the price can come back perfectly up to this resistance level, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. If the price comes back up to this point here, then this should be the correct place where we want to look for a sell from. So technically, we just want a move up to this point, a bounce from this point up to the lower side. Then we have a shape which is unfolding. We have this shape there. So the price may break below the upper trend line. The price may break above the upper trend line. Maybe it can break above whichever it has done, which it has done so far. The price is somehow above this level. So we do expect a continuation upside up to this level. If the price again moves down and closes below this trend line, then we do expect a move down up to the lower trend line. So the next chart I want us to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD so far, we do have a possibility that the price may go downwards. I'm saying this because of this. We do have a trend line here, and then you also have another line from the top. Just a second. We have this. Sorry guys, give me a second. Let me load this chart afresh. Okay, if you check the daily chart, we do have this here, and then you also have a line from the bottom, which is this. So technically, we want price to get back to this level. We want price to go up to around 1.17432, which is this one. If the price can pull back up to this point, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from, up to somewhere around 1.16186, which is here. So look for a sell position here. Have your stop loss above this level. Expect price to move up to this support, where if it breaks below, then expect it to continue much lower up to 1.13778. So those are the levels which we're looking for. If the price gets to those levels, then that will give us the ideal place where we want to look for a trade from. The next chart I want us to look at is USDJPY. This chart is upwards. It looks like it's upward, but in truth, we are still downwards. You're going to see why I'm saying that is true. Look at this, the trend line we have from the top. So we had a resistance here. We had a resistance there. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We expect price to come back up to this point where we do expect a sell-off up to this support. So if you're on this chart now, you should be expecting price to continue downwards. You should be expecting price to move massively to the left side. It should go straight up to 104.449, which is this one. So look for sell positions. Expect price to go up to this level, 104.449. The next chart I want us to look at is SP500. So SP500 closed as a buy. You can see we have a massive pin bar heading upwards, and then we do have a support here. We have a very good support there. We have a resistance there, and then we also have a level here. So we do expect price to continue up. The price should continue up to this point, break above before it continues higher up to 3590.9. So if the price breaks beyond this level, retraces back, then we do expect a buy up to the resistance which you have at this point. And that should be like this. We do expect a move up, a retracement, and then a continuation to the upper. So this is what should happen. So this should be the correct place to look for a buy from. If you are on this chart now, you are supposed to be expecting price to break beyond the level which you just look at, so that you continue buying it, expecting that buy to push us up to the resistance which you have, which is at the very top. So the next chart is Brent oil. Brent oil is bearish so far. We do have a level there, and then at the top we have a resistance there, we have a level there, and then you also have a level here, horizontal level. So this does not make much sense for me, although it looked better. We have this here, support, support, support. There's a break, and then the price gapped up, but somehow it could not gap above 39.842. So we still do expect sellers to come in on this side. We do expect a sell-off up to around 37.949, which is here. So keep looking for sell orders. Expect price to go down up to 37.949. The next chart I want us to look at is gold. So gold so far is a sell. Just look at this like this, and then also look at the line from the top, which is this. And we also have this. So as long as we continue to see price being held below 1911.67, expect a rally downwards up to this support, where if it goes below, expect it to continue much lower up to 1808.86. So expect a sell from this point, from 1911.67 up to 1857.56. The next level we expect price to go up to is 1808.86. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.